Here is COMERA Calling app. So let's just do a quick overview. So here's the app. It's alternative to WhatsApp, to Telegram, to Zangi Messenger. You just can have like a quick calls here. So you can add your friends. You can create new group, new contact. You can create conference call. So this app is mainly focused on calls and audio calls. You can create call links here. Just you can create new channel where you just share news as you can do on Telegram or WhatsApp. So here it is. Then you can have calls. You can invite contacts. Just create a new call. So it offers you free calls here. And then here you have games, stocks, some, all of it. And then you have contacts. And then you have settings. This is your settings, just chat, storage and data. You can select. Yeah, so that's in a nutshell, that's it is. So super simple app to start. It offers a lot of free options. And especially it's a good choice for making like group calls and like if you like audio calling, video calling to a lot of people, or you need like this solution for group chats. This is a nice alternative to WhatsApp. It's not yet that popular everywhere, but that's the app.